My name is Fiona Gronowicz, and I'm with Ford Motor Company. What I love about FleetWave is its flexibility, right? You know, with autonomous vehicles, it is different to a traditional fleet. And the things that we have to do, such as working on automation of dispatching where the vehicle is going to be serviced at, and who's going to be repairing the vehicle. We like that the Chevin allows us the capability of being flexible for what we need with an autonomous fleet, which, you know, as we're learning too of how it is different from a traditional fleet. The willingness to, you know, work on our requirements list. I mean, it was a long, drawn-out progress, and you know, a lot of it was key with the people and you know, their approach of, yeah, we can do this, or yeah, well, that's kind of cool what you're trying to do here. We'll work with you on that. So it's been a great experience, and then, you know, coming to the event and getting to know further the Chevin people has been wonderful, as well as, you know, learning from other fleets, the challenges they have. You know, obviously some of their challenges may be different to what you have with an autonomous fleet, but you know, the foundation is a lot of the same. And you know, being able to work with Chevin to provide input to them and feedback on how the product can improve, and how, you know, we can grow Chevin as we grow and develop on our autonomous vehicles is you know, really invaluable to be here and get that experience. Well, I think it's really good because I think you learn so much more on the capability of what Chevin can do, and how others are using Chevin. Again, the flexibility is like, oh, I didn't think about that. Maybe we need that within how we configure Chevin for our use and application. So, and then it's nice to see the roadmap of what future is going to coming, and how that can impact how we want to develop and improve our fleet management on autonomous fleet.